Hello student, welcome to my class, and today we will like to start the one new chapter, that is the coordinate geometry. In the coordinate geometry means what? That's the taking the coordinate of the point. In the Cartesian plane or xy plane, the coordinate of a point, suppose x1, y1, x2, y2, like that's one. We will have, using those coordinates, we will have to find out some particular things that like the distance, section, like this one you are having. In this coordinate geometry, we are having first chapter you are having the distance formula. What is the distance formula? Suppose in this coordinate you are having the 2 points A and B. A coordinate, suppose that's AB distance, how much it will be, that can be find out by using their coordinates. Suppose A's coordinate is your x1, y1, B coordinate is your x2, y2. The distance formula you have to know. The distance between the point, distance of the line segment below, or distance between the 2 points AB, between 2 points A, A means its coordinate is x1, y1, and B, that is its coordinate is x2, y2, is given by AB equal to root under x1 minus x2 ka whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That's units you can write. Here x1 minus x2 ka whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is the difference of the two x coordinate, that square, plus y coordinate ka difference ka square. Here you can take anyone as the x1 and anyone you can take as the x2. If you have taken again this one x1, or sometimes this one if you have taken, that also no problem. Suppose their difference is 3x1 minus x2. But if you have taken opposite that's one, then also you will get minus 3. But since both are having the square, so 3 square or minus 3 square, what do you have? Both you will get the 9 there. So no change of this result. So this is the important formula to be followed. And using this formula, now we'll follow this some questions or we'll find out the distance. Using these formulas, we can find out some results or we can prove something. Just for example, suppose 3 vertices of a triangles are given. We can prove that the triangles are congruent. Triangles, this is the equilateral triangle. How? ABC. So ABC, 3 vertices are there. Then we can find out AB, BC, AC. So all these 3 distances, if it is distances are equal, then we can say this is equilateral triangle. Sometimes it may be proved as the isosceles triangle. So all these 3 distances you find out, then see that 2 distance equal, that means isosceles. And third one, the ABC, suppose the triangle ABC equilateral isosceles तो मिल ही जाएगा. Suppose ABC you have to prove as the right triangle, then what it will be? You will see in the geometry also Pythagoras theorem and the converse of Pythagoras theorem. There, right triangle if you have, तो a square equal to p square plus b square होता है. और if in one side square, the square of one side is equal to sum of the squares of other 2 sides. If it is happening, then that will be a right triangle. Just suppose you are having a right triangle ABC such that, for example, if it is happened, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, then we can say this triangle is a right triangle and it is the hypotenuse. That means its opposite angle to be 90 degree. So B angle is 90 degree, and then you can find the area also AB, half into AB into BC, like that one. So this type of one question if you want to discuss using the distance that's formula, they prove that these are the vertices of an isosceles right triangle. तो दोनों ही देखो कवर हो जाएगा इसमें. Isosceles right triangle. Both will be followed. देखो, any question if you have like this one, so many questions you may get this type of things in the exam. Also you have got in the board exam. Just say prove that an isosceles rectangle. Here in my book it is 19. Prove that the vertices or the points A coordinate is having 7, 10, and B, that is coordinate is having -2, 5, and C, that coordinate is having C का coordinate form में लिखो, C, the coordinate is having 3, -4. क्या है? A 7, 10, B -2, 5, C 3, -4 are the vertices of an isosceles right triangle. Isosceles right triangle. Prove करना है, जब prove that these are the vertices of an isosceles right triangle. So two things to be proved. So that's why first of all, suppose 3 vertices you have A, B, C जैसे भी हो, so that's one. First you will find out A and B, these 2 points. Anyone you can take as the x1, y1. First इसको यदि हम लोग सोचे 7 minus plus 2 का whole square plus 10 minus 5 का whole square. So what it will be? x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. तो 9 square plus 5 square. तो 7 plus 2 का whole square, 10 minus 5 का square. तो 9 square plus 5 square. So it is coming what? 81 plus 25. 7 plus 2 हो गया. एक मिनट देख ले एक बार. All these vertices we have written correct or not? 7, 10, minus 2, 5, 3, minus 4. Vertices of an isosceles right triangle. Let me to check first. तो 81 and 25 यदि करो तो 106 it is coming. Okay. Now BC, these two. इसको यदि x2 ले 3 minus plus 2, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus 5 square. So it is coming 5 square plus 9 square. It is also root under 106 ultimately. देखो 25 and 81. And रहेगा थर्ड साइड AC. इसका बीच में देखो 7 minus 3 बा 3 minus 7 जो भी करो तब 10 minus इसको यदि x2 ले तो इसको y2 लेना पड़ेगा 10 minus plus 7 minus 3 कितना हुआ 4 square 16 plus 10 plus 4 14 square 196. If you add 6 12 2 carry 1 10 1 11 carry 1 2 212 इतना यूनिट मिल गया. तो see 3 values you got. AB root under 106, BC root under 106, AC root under 212. So ultimately you are getting AB equal to BC. So first one is proved, that is the isosceles, it is proved. Now second one क्या बोले? The square of one side is equal to sum of the squares of other two. तो sum of the squares of other two यदि करे AB square plus BC square, देखो क्या हो AB square root square हो जाएगा तो root will be removed. BC square root 106 का square, it will also be 106 212, and that is what? AC square. Therefore AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles right triangle, because that is holding right triangle. Right angle at what? AC hypotenuse होगा तो AC यदि hypotenuse हो जाए, if AC is the hypotenuse then it will be the B. Right angle at B हो जाएगा. So if it is asking you also find the area of the triangle, तो half into AB into BCB करके you can find out. Okay? So in this way, quadrilateral also we are having very important some properties that will be discussed in the next class. Today at least you can start that one exercise of this one, that is what 6B. You will do that exercise, you will start that one, and any problem if you have then you can ask also. Okay? Thank you.